Hey there. I wanted to go over some of the craft glitter properties. We have lots of different craft glitters, and sometimes when we get a call from somebody, they'll say, oh, I bought the black glitter, but it doesn't sparkle the same way as the gold does. Well, I wanted to explain a little bit about what's going on with that. Okay, so first I have a gold glitter here. The gold glitters have an aluminum coating on them, which makes them extremely shiny. That shine is something where the sunlight or the regular light is bouncing off of the metallic surface and back to your eye. It's extremely bright and sparkly. So if you're going for the biggest sparkle, you'll always want to make sure that you get the metallic coated glitters. Okay, so most of the glitters we sell do fall into that category, but not all of them. So make sure that when you're purchasing, if you're going for that really big sparkle, that you're getting an aluminum coated metallic glitter. How I mentioned the black glitter just a minute ago. The black glitter is indeed extremely black, but it is only glossy. It does not have a metallic coating, no aluminum coating. So it is just considered a glossy glitter. So when you put the two together, yes, they both sparkle, but the type of sparkle is going to be different. It's going to definitely be more muted, and that's just part of the game. So if you're only looking for metallic glitters that are doing the big sparkle, then if it says glossy in the description, you're probably not going to think it's enough of a sparkle. So I wanted to go over quickly some of the colors that fall into that category, and that would be the black glimmer, the maroon burst, the midnight blue, the dazzling white, and then we're going to go and move into some of the fluorescent colors. So we've got I believe the moonbeam, and in this case the popping pink. Again, extremely bright. They're glossy and sparkly, no metallic coating. And then the black dragon iridescent. So the black dragon iridescent has a couple things going for it. One, it is just a regular black glitter, but it's been coated with iridescent. So it's going to have a similar glossy shine to the one we mentioned, the black glimmer, but it has the iridescent sparkle, which actually makes it, almost makes up for it. It's not going to look metallic, but it's definitely going to be sparklier than, let's say, the black glimmer on its own. The next one is, again, these are craft glitters still, but they're actually clear, all right? So they can take on the color of what you put them over, but they are not metallic, okay? They are translucent. So this is the, let's say, lemon freeze iridescent. It has a slight yellow tint to it, but if you were to put it over, let's say, a black surface, you're still going to see that black surface. It's just going to have a slight yellow tint to it. It also has an iridescent sparkle to it. So again, it's not metallic, but it is sparkly, it's glossy, but it has that extra bang for your buck with the iridescent, okay? It's gonna definitely sparkle more than just straight one of the glossy ones we mentioned over here. So we have lots of these colors. You'll see lemon freeze, there's moonlight sparkle, disco iridescent, absinthe iridescent. There's a couple more. So again, when you see those iridescents, know that they're clear. They may have a tint to them, but they're clear. So whatever you put them over is going to show through. The final one I wanted to go over is the crystal clear and the diamond clears. These are completely clear glitters. They are also glossy glitters. There's no metallic sparkle. So again, to you it may not seem as glossy and as sparkly, but it is definitely got a sparkle to it. I don't know if you can see it on the film or not, but it's definitely not the same as, let's say, a metallic, which is just jumping out all over it. Again, it's clear, so whatever you put it over is going to go ahead and show through. Now in this box, you can see it's all piled up. It looks white, but if you do an extremely thin layer, it's going to look like the color you put it over. So whatever that is, whether it's black or purple or pink, it's basically going to turn that surface into that same color with a slight sparkle to it. Okay, we'll go into this further in other videos, but I just wanted to kind of go over quickly some of the things that you can expect. All of these are sold in the same category called craft glitter. So it's important to read descriptions so that you know what you're getting. Okay.